Welcome. In today's guide, I'll show you exactly how to mute words on the X app forever, so you can enjoy a cleaner, distraction-free feed without seeing unwanted content again. This is the updated method, so you can follow along step by step with confidence. First, open the X app on your device, and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look to the top corner of your screen and tap on your profile icon. This will open a menu where you can find key account options. From here, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. This section is where all your privacy, security, and customization tools are stored. Next, tap on Privacy and Safety. This is where you can control your visibility, interactions, and most importantly, mute or block content you don't want to see. Inside Privacy and Safety, look for the option called Muted and Block. Tap it, and then choose Muted Words. This feature is specially designed to stop certain words, phrases, usernames, or hashtags from appearing in your timeline and notifications. Now, tap the plus sign, Add. Here, type in the word or words you want to mute. You can mute as many as you need, and they will apply across your entire account. This works for both your home feed and any replies to your posts. Before you save, tap on Duration. This is an important step. You'll have several options, but to mute these words permanently, select Forever. Once you've made your choice, confirm and save your settings. And that's it. You've successfully muted words on the X app forever. From now on, those words will no longer appear in your feed or notifications, keeping your experience more enjoyable and focused on the content you actually care about. If you found this guide helpful, follow these steps anytime you want to add more words to your mute list. Keeping your feed free from unwanted topics has never been easier, and thankfully, the process only takes a minute to set up.